Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Have you ever seen a sculpture or a cool 3D print and maybe thought, you know what, it's impossible. I could never do something like that. I don't even know how to draw a straight line. Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to be a traditional artist to create amazing things. My name is Carlos and welcome to See Art. This is a sculpting channel that I do 3D prints. And honestly, I never consider myself an artist. I don't know how to draw. Creating art has always been difficult. I have so many ideas, but when I try, I fail. And to be honest, I didn't even care much because I knew right away if I try to do something, it will be a disaster. And even if it still happened, that's why I created this channel. Something that I learned is the profound joy of taking raw materials and just create something. Having tangible, not physically here, that is an amazing feeling. Even if the sculptures are not perfect, or even is a nightmare, the 3D printing, it is possible. Here, I just explore the versatility of many materials like clay, like the traditional handmade, slowly putting everything together. And it's just amazing how these materials can take almost any form. But why stop there? I love to challenge myself. And I love to work with different materials that are not really conventional, like cement. To be honest, just the journey, the exploration to how to create something like this Mario Bros. Shell is a full journey that is worth it. So I love to create things with cement and get ready because I also work with polymer clay, monster clay, resin on my latest masks. I create this in clay and then I did the molding and cast in resin. And beyond the traditional sculpting, I love how with 3D printing, digital creativity meets physical reality. And just is amazing. There's so many resources out there. I'm a digital artist and I can create digital assets. This one, I didn't create it myself, but I print them. And in this journey, I want to teach you how you can get free models or you can buy some from amazing creators. This journey of 3D printing is just amazing. Just seeing something and having in a few hours or sometimes days here with you. And you can create anything you want. I want to share my mistakes. I want to share my journey. And also I want to teach you that you can also create simple design. You don't need to really be a digital artist to create something. You can create your own 3D models and print them. So what you can expect in these channels are tutorials with different materials, time lapses, tips and tricks for both sculpting and 3D printing. My goal is to inspire you, to teach you new techniques, to show you that with basic tools and willingness to try, you can create amazing art. This channel is the proof that even if you don't think you have the art in you, but you know that you enjoy it, you can embark on an incredible creativity journey and surprise yourself of what you are capable of. If that sounds fun to you, press that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any video. Thank you for watching. I cannot wait to create with you. See you next time and enjoy art.